Salon family, this is Unity, and this is a Unity moment. Okay, y'all, so I want to show y'all, in business, you have to network. And I know due to the corona, it's a lot that we can't do like we used to do. But when I first kind of started doing my earrings, I will always network with hairstylists, fashion designers, event planners. Like I would give free stuff to different hair shows, like when they had like hair shows, stuff like that. So a friend of mine that I met on via social media, she's having an event which will be next weekend on August 15th called Sundress and Paints. A couple of videos that I speak of it. It's kind of, you have to go a little down, but she had one where she's rapping, and it's mainly about black women coming together, painting, having a good time, being in your sundress. I couldn't go due to my best friend. I was going to go to Baltimore for a round trip ticket. It was very inexpensive to go. But when my best friend passed on July 21st from COVID, it just said, you just need to stay home. So what I did, I'm donating 5 pairs of my hand painted earrings to go in the grab bags. And also, my sister, some years ago, she used to do earrings. She don't do it as much, but she had some earrings left over. She says she's going to start back, but I'm going to show y'all a couple of her pieces that she's donating to. All right. So the first piece that y'all done seen on earrings of the week is these right here, the embodiment of beauty. So she's getting those. She's getting these right here. God Made Me So Dope, which these are being real hot on boabwart.com. And also these right here, Queen of Knowledge. These is donated to her. And all these are on boabw.com. And then these right here, Brown Sugar Baby. And then this pair I made for her. It is called Sundress and Paint. And when I did it, I was like, oh, wow. I really like the way she came out. So I'm going to do a pair similar to these. But it's going to be the same thing on the other one. This just a one-of-a-kind pair for her. And then this is the back. So those are the ones I'm donating to her. She did order a couple of other pairs because she's so dope and she support me. But these are some pairs that I want to show y'all that my sister made for her. She literally sew with the wire. She goes around. That's something she's been doing for some years. But I think she had kind of took a break because it was kind of heavy on her hands. This is a pair I got to put the hooks on. Because this was an older pair that she made. And she was like, well, you can donate those. They just sitting there. So this is a pair. And then this is the back. Yeah. So this is, here go the other one right here. Just some cute little apples. Very, I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me lay it down. It just goes like that. Yeah. Another pair that she donated is these right here. They are so fly. So I did update the hooks and stuff for her. This is the back. So hopefully we're going to get my sister to start back making, because this is her little signature way. That's a lot. The literally sew wire. She had got like a little knot right there on her. I think it was like right there for doing it for so long. So she stopped for a couple of years, but she says she's going to start back. Because her pieces, I remember we used to do some shows together, and her pieces used to sell because it was, she used like a lot of real leather and material and stuff like that. So here go another pair right here, if y'all can see that. Real gaudy that she's donated. Hopefully y'all can see. Let me break this up a little. I did advertise for the sister, so if y'all go into the Sundress and Paint, hopefully y'all will win a pair of these. I know some of my supporters said that they was going to support. Oh, here go another pair that she donated, but I'm waiting for her to bring the other pair to me so I could ship off. But this is these are fine. This feels more like a plastic wire that she used. Yeah, these are fly. Network. Send stuff to YouTubers to promote your stuff. I know it's kind of hard now because a lot of people, what's going on with the COVID and all that. But yeah, we got to support each other And this is something I always did. I always donated items to companies. And to be honest, this is like lightweight compared to what I usually give. I usually give sometimes 20 and 30 pair. So, all right, y'all. I just wanted to share that with y'all. So, just for a good network, you know, networking and getting your product out there. Network with people. Yeah, network with people. All right, fam. I just wanted to share that. Don't forget to like this video, leave a beautiful message, share this video, donate to this channel if y'all can. The links are in the description box. Salam, salam.
So what y'all think about this sundressing paint? I think it's going to be so dope. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see the sisters show up in all their flyness. You dig? Whether you got a weave, got a wig, got a natural, got your locks, got your fro, rocking a baldy, it does not matter. We are all beautiful. That is my belief. I stand firm on that shit. So again, we are excited. I just want us to come and I just want us to be beautiful. You know, I just want us to all shine. You know, maybe some of us haven't been feeling like ourselves. I know that I have my days, especially like with this transition, from my fro to my locks. I miss my fro and I haven't been feeling as beautiful as I felt every morning, but I'm growing into it. So anyways, it's not about me, it's about us. I'm just giving an example of how we have our days. Some days we don't feel beautiful. That day, if no other day, we're going to shine. We're going to look at our sister and tell her how beautiful she is. We're going to look at this sister and tell her how beautiful she is, because we all are beautiful. So use your creativity, represent yourself. You get what I'm saying? You know, maybe you got that dress and you was just like, I shouldn't wear this. Wear that shit. You know what I mean? And also we will be giving out some dope door prizes. My sister, K Unity, I call her U, but my sister Unity, she makes my earrings and she is donating 5 fly ass pair. And then me and Misa took the time to really, you know, put some thought, love, and care into these bags that we're giving out. So I'll be cooking. You know, I'll be on the grill. And we're just gonna have a good time. So come on, sisters, go on that website, go on Eventbrite, get them tickets, get them dresses. I know a tailor, I know a seamstress. I got some sisters that have boutiques. Whatever you need, Big Mo got it. The Homegirl Shopping Network.